Did Trump overstep his authority when he announced the tariffs? Well, the Supreme Court is going to rule on this, and their opinion will negatively affect the stock market if it goes against Trump's tariffs. Friday, the Supreme Court reconvened, and many were expecting the opinion to come on Friday. And that's where fundamental analysis is very important in the stock market and why we pay close attention to it. At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, the Supreme Court announced that they will not be issuing an opinion at that time. So the question now is, when will they? And it appears that January 14th, which is on Wednesday coming up, is when they will possibly announce their opinion on this. And this is why Friday was a lot of traders were anticipating a huge move on Friday. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the context and how the big boys prepare themselves to get into position for this particular catalyst event. If we go back to Thursday, you recall Thursday's video we made, price was just ranging in a 1-point chop or consolidation, just a bunch of suckers placing bets one way or the other. In reality, what this is the big boys playing safe. They used the 5-day moving average and they moved their positions to safety. So they let liquidity build. Again, they're going to use this for rocket fuel when there is a big catalyst event. So the big boys did not have insider information, or else you would have seen some big moves before this Friday decision. Or maybe they did. We'll never know. But what we see is that price was ranging on Thursday. So this is the big boys getting into safety, putting their money aside and waiting for the news to come out on Friday.